I got a phone number on my service truck that's not the right number anymore. I've switched the number and I got to get it off of here because the guy who has this number, every time somebody complains about my driving, they call him. Keith here again. We're going to try out some decal removing tools here. We have the Mueller set here. We've got a, I'm not sure what brand one here. We're going to try it out and see which one works better, which tool works better, and off we go.
The Mueller Eraser Wheel and many other tools can be found at FortisHD.com. If you have any questions, reach out to parts@FortisHD.com and they will help you out. Like always, every purchase made directly funds more tests like this one. Now, let's go back to Keith.
Well, let's try the cheapo one first. We'll try it on the drill first, I guess. See what happens. I think mostly what it's doing is the heat from the friction is heating up the glue. Once the glue loosens up, it peels the decal off. We'll keep going here. I mean, honestly, it works pretty good. A little bit of glue behind, but we can use some wax and grease remover or glue remover to remove that after, but we'll keep hitting it. So we'll continue. I'm gonna flip it up onto high, see if I can even hang on to the drill. Obviously high goes a little bit faster, a little bit smoky, I can smell it, but it goes a decent amount quicker. Nothing is sticking to the pad here, a little bit, but nothing serious. So we have a little bit of glue left over here. Let's see what it does with that. Seems to be more or less just smearing the glue around, which I'm not surprised. That's okay, a little bit of brake clean, wax grease remover, anything you want to use will probably take that off. And let's open the Mueller. Comes with a nice Fortis HD decal in it. We'll start on low again. Honestly, on low, it's actually working a little bit better than the other one. It could have to do with that it's smaller. So as it's spinning, it's not spinning as fast and you can control it a little more. Let's throw it on high and see how it goes. High is definitely working a lot better, and I like it a little bit more than the big one. It seems to be taking it off a little more with less heat, where the other one had a lot of heat, smoke, it was more melting the glue. So once we get this off, let's see how much glue there is left over. It looks to me like there's less glue here. It is wearing out a little faster. As you see, I just took one decal off and it was a number 3, a bit smaller than a number 8. This one I'm not seeing really any wear on it. And this one I'm starting to see some wear. Now the wear is fine by me if it takes the glue off. And I think the reason for that is the cheaper version here of, not sure what brand, it doesn't really wear out. So it's a little bit harder, creates more friction. That's why it was smoky and smelly when I was pulling the first decal off. And because it doesn't wear out, I mean, everybody wants a tool that doesn't wear out, it would just smear the glue around. Instead of the Mueller, what it was doing was picking the glue up onto the pad, and because the pad was wearing out, the glue was going with the pad. So I like that much better because I don't have to go back and sit there and wipe a whole bunch of glue off. A tiny little bit is okay. You know, that'll come off with just a small wipe, I'm sure. See, a lot less work to take the glue off when we're done than with the other pad. And I mean, Mueller gave me 6 of these, so I'm sure 6 of them is going to take off everything that we need. and it's gonna work great. So we'll get onto the number 4 here. Well, that just peels it off once you get a little bit used to hanging onto that drill. I'm gonna be honest with you, I'm actually really impressed. This one did what I expected it to do. Harder to hang on to because it's bigger, left lots of glue behind, which I'm not surprised, that's what I figured was going to happen. Put the Mueller on, took the decal off, much better, a lot faster, easier to hang on to because it's not as big. And as you can see, it takes the glue off with it. I'm gonna say 95% or better. Small wipe with some brake clean, or if you want to use something a little bit not as caustic on your hands or skin, a little bit of cleaner of any kind, soapy water would probably even do it with what's left over after the Mueller. Has a little bit of wear on it. Took 2 decals off. I mean, if you want to compare it to a brand new, you know, there's not a lot. I could easily use this one decal and probably take all, or this one pad and take all the decals off. And what do we got? We got 10 plus the 2 dashes here. Other side would be 20, back would be 30. So I'm really actually impressed. It's a lot better than I thought it was going to be. So let's keep going. Super impressed with this thing. And if you look, wipe my hand over, there's actually no glue left over on this one at all. Glue will pick up the grease on my hand. There is no glue left. So I just did that number 9 in what, 10 seconds, 15 seconds, no glue left at all. And I'm really not leaning into it very hard. It looks like I'm kind of leaning, but I'm not. I'm just bracing myself enough so that I can, you know, hold the drill steady without it bouncing all over the place. Again, there's a little bit of wear going on here, but hey, it's a tool and it's doing its job. It's doing exactly what it's supposed to do. And in my opinion, it's doing a fantastic job. So that's the Mueller decal remover. They call it a conical eraser for rims, but I like it for using decals. I don't care how shiny my rims are.
If you have a favorite tool you'd like to showcase in action on the channel, reach out and submit your video to media@fortishd.com. Join us on our journey to tool the next generation.